Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to see how to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. Now in this part 14 of this training series, we are going to see the third-party tracking tool called Optin Dojo and what kind of role does that play in our email marketing business. And one important thing that I want to emphasize is that if you're going to use solo ads as your traffic to build your email list, then this is going to be the most important tool you will ever need. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. So let's get straight into Optin Dojo. So when you click the link in the description box below, you will reach this page called Optin Dojo, which is the home page. And when you scroll down to the bottom, you have the different plans that is available. So the first one is a marketer, and then the pro and guru. The difference between these three plans is that for the marketer plan, there are 10,000 actions allowed per month. So just look how they define the actions. So an action is a click on a tracking link, a redirect to a bridge page, a redirect to an offer, both front-end funnel and email clicks, and a tracked email open. So if you are someone who's just a newbie, then I would recommend you to go for the marketer plan where the 10,000 actions per month would be good. And if you are someone more aggressive and if you're using more than 5,000 to 6,000 subscribers, then you definitely need to go to the pro plan. And if you're someone more aggressive marketer, then they have to go for the guru plan. Now, when you scroll down to the bottom, you have the members login. So once you click on this members login, it will take you to the login page and where you can enter your name and password. Once you enter the name and password, it comes to this dashboard, which is the home page of the Optin Dojo. Now you can see the different tabs available under Optin Dojo. You can see the tracking links, the funnels, traffic sources, custom domains, and tools. So the most commonly used are the tracking links, funnels, and traffic sources. So in this training video, we are going to see Optin Dojo in a very generic perspective, and in the subsequent videos, we are going to dwell into individual areas like tracking links, funnels, traffic sources, and all those. So now the way to look Optin Dojo is the central command system of this entire online marketing business. So Optin Dojo will integrate with autoresponders like AWeber, Getresponse, and also Optin Dojo will be integrated with the funnel builder software, which is the lead pages, and also the Optin Dojo will be integrated with different affiliate offer marketplaces like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and Explodely. So Optin Dojo is going to be the central command system of this entire online marketing business. So what do you mean by the central command system? So if you refer to the part 2 of this training series, then you can see the solo ads as the main traffic, and the traffic comes to the squeeze page, and the squeeze page and bridge page are built using lead pages. So the tracking pixel from Optin Dojo is inserted into the squeeze page of the lead pages software. So once from there, it is channeled to the sales offer page. From Optin Dojo, the webhook IPN URL can be inserted into individual products of Warrior Plus, for example, so that whenever there is a sale that is happening, an immediate notification will be sent to Optin Dojo and how much the commission is also. So that's how it is working in the front end. And one important thing is that after the email address is entered in the squeeze page, it gets straight into your email autoresponder. The other important part of Optin Dojo is that it not only tracks the front-end sales, but also the back-end sales. So here in this email autoresponders, we will insert 2 tracking links from Optin Dojo into our email automation and email broadcast. And from there, you can get notified whenever there is a sale happening. And once the sale is happened, a notification will be sent to Optin Dojo. And at the same time, most importantly, the buyer or the email address which buys the product or offer will be moved into your buyer seed email list. So that's going to be the most important part of it. And from there, you can promote mid-ticket offers to build buyers B. And from there, you can promote high-ticket offers to build your buyers list here. So you can see Optin Dojo is present, almost omnipresent everywhere in our online marketing business. That's why we call it as the central command system of our online business. So if you are going to use solo ads as your traffic, then Optin Dojo is the #1 important tool that you will ever need. So let me share you how to maneuver around the Optin Dojo tool and how to use the different features available in it. So as you see the homepage here, just go to the funnels and then scroll down, click on add new funnel and enter the funnel name. So I'm just going to enter it as test. So now scroll down and you can see there are 4 different tabs: your opt-in pages, your bridge pages, your affiliate or own offers, event manager. So under your opt-in pages, here we have to enter the name or provide a name for the lead pages squeeze page. So just you can provide it as test 1 and you can enter the URL of the squeeze page which you are going to use. So that's going to be the opt-in page. So this will be taken from the lead pages software. So once you enter the link and you can scroll down and click on save funnel. So before that, just understand that Optin Dojo will require you to insert all the relevant links that you use in your email marketing business. And at the same time, Optin Dojo will provide you the relevant tracking links in order to be inserted in every step of this online marketing business. So just enter the URL like https://www.google.com and just scroll down and click on save funnel. So once saved, you will reach this page where you can see the opt-in tracking and there are 2 links that have to be inserted, which is the HTML script and also the new lead redirect script. Both has to be inserted into the squeeze page, the 2 link, the HTML script and the new lead direct. Now you can see how important Optin Dojo is in this email marketing business. Now, one important thing that is to be noted here is if you are starting your email business, you can use Optin Dojo as a start just from building the from zero, from scratch. So in the next subsequent videos, we will see how to use the opt-in pages, your bridge pages, your affiliate or own offers, event manager, how to insert all these links inside and how to build the tracking pixels and also how to use the traffic sources over here and how to integrate all these 3 within the Optin Dojo. So I will share in the subsequent videos how to create your links in your bridge pages, your affiliate or own offers and event managers, and also how to insert all these scripts into the squeeze pages. And also you can learn about traffic sources and also the tracking links. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the like button and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of the training series. Until then, bye.